Want to record your Android screen like a pro? In this video, I'll show you how to master a screen recorder, the easiest and most powerful screen recording app out there. Whether you're creating tutorials, gaming content, or just capturing moments, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Install a screen recorder from Play Store. Step 2. Open the recorder. The screen recorder has several utilities to use. Step 3. Setting up the screen recorder. Step 4. Start recording for unlimited time without watermark. Step 5. Please like, subscribe, and hit notification icon. Thank you.